Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss and demonstrate the return of RMS's contract archiving process. The contract archiving process has been streamlined for greater speed and simplicity. Please note that only users with the appropriate permissions are authorized to archive contracts. We can begin this process from the contract selection screen. Select the Archive button at the top. Then choose a contract or multiple contracts by selecting the checkboxes on the left. You may also use the search function at the top of the page when the relevant contract information is already known. Once this process is completed, the contract will no longer show in the contract selection screen. Instead, all archive contracts will display in the District Office tab under the Archive Contracts module. Here you can see the archive contracts along with who initiated the process, the time it was archived, along with all other contract information. You may also archive and unarchive a contract from this screen. To unarchive a contract, select the contract, then click the Unarchive option at the top. Once unarchived, the contract will move immediately from the Archive Contracts view to the Contract Selection view, making it accessible once more. Click Yes to proceed. This action can have severe effects and will require authentication. A log entry will be made indicating the time, date, and person performing this action. Enter your credentials and click OK. As you can see, the contract will reappear in the contract selection view as intended. We hope this information was helpful. If you experience any issues or errors while performing these actions, please contact our help desk or submit a service ticket, and we will assist you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.